The income you believe you are building from home is being drained by the exact structure promising you freedom. You trade your morning hours for tasks that yield pennies. The return on your attention is negative. This is not a lack of effort. It is a fundamental flaw in how you categorize labor. Many home-based workers fall into what is called the illusionary output trap. They mistake motion for leverage. They execute tasks designed to consume focus rather than compound value. The digital economy thrives on fragmented attention. It monetizes your exhaustion. You click, you format. You assemble data for a fraction of its market value. The platforms keep the margin. You keep the fatigue. Notice this pattern. The fake side hustle demands constant presence. If you step away, the income stops. This is a digital factory floor. It is not an asset. Escaping this requires a shift to the closed-loop income architecture. This structure separates your time from your earning potential. It builds equity in your own systems. Instead of renting your focus to third-party platforms, you own the distribution. Building this architecture requires physical boundaries. Focus is easily fractured in a shared space. A noise-canceling acoustic desk divider changes how you perceive your work environment. It signals to your brain that high-value output is required. The tools you use dictate the boundaries you keep. The link to this specific setup is in the description. Have you noticed how your peak energy is absorbed by low-value tasks? Share your experience. An hour spent building a digital product creates a compounding asset. An hour doing microtasks disappears forever. The modern economy rewards those who build. It penalizes those who merely execute. You must audit where your attention flows. Attention is the raw material of your home economy. Every time you log into a platform that pays per task, you devalue your own raw material. Motherhood and household management require immense strategic thinking. Yet this same mind is often applied to low-tier digital tasks. The disconnect creates burnout. You are overqualified for the fake hustle. Your energy is tied to output. But the output is meaningless to your long-term goals. This realization is uncomfortable. It is also the first step toward recalibration. This is the shift. Capital flows toward systems. It avoids disorganized effort. When you operate a fake side hustle, you are the disorganized effort for someone else. You must become the system. Look at the tools being sold to you. Most are designed to keep you busy. The closed-loop income architecture requires a different set of inputs. It requires strategic patience. You create an asset once. You structure a sales mechanism. You let the system do the heavy lifting. This is the difference between working from home and building a home-based economy. The former is a geographical change. The latter is a financial recalibration. You are not a freelancer. You are an allocator of capital and time. If your current income stream requires constant maintenance, it is a liability. It is not an asset. You must step away from the noise. You must identify the leaks in your daily capacity. Only then can you reclaim the margin that belongs to you. If you value building income from your time at home, comment architecture. And consider subscribing to protect your most valuable system, your time.